Welcome to the ECOPS Idea Management Module, your organization's central hub for innovation. This module is designed to simplify the entire idea journey, from generation to implementation. Users can easily submit ideas, participate in campaigns, and contribute to meaningful change. It enables targeted idea collection through dedicated campaigns. Each idea goes through a systematic evaluation process to identify the most impactful ones. Selected ideas are seamlessly converted into projects for execution. With an integrated governance framework and project management methodology, the module ensures ideas are not just collected, but successfully implemented. You can use ECOPS on laptops, desktops, phones, or kiosks. The system runs smoothly across all. ECOPS Idea Management makes handling ideas simple and efficient. Role-based access control keeps access secure and aligned with user roles. A strong governance framework ensures smooth idea progression. Parent and child organization structure supports multi-level management. Idea lifecycle management tracks every idea from submission to execution. Collaboration tools help assign tasks, record meetings, track progress, and engage stakeholders. Dashboards and reports give real-time insights into ideas and projects. To get started with ECOPS, open your browser and type in www.ecopshub.com. On the login page, enter your registered email address and password. Once your details are in, simply click Sign In. You'll be taken straight to your ECOPS dashboard, where you'll see the four main ECOPS modules right on your screen: idea management, carbon accounting, ESG reporting, and decarbonization strategy. To move between them, simply click on the icon or tab of the module you'd like to open. And that's it. You'll be taken straight to your modules where you can begin exploring all the available features. Let's walk you through how to set up the ECOPS mobile application. We will first walk you through how to set it up on your Android device. First, open your mobile browser and go to https://ecopshub.com/login. Next, open the Options menu, usually shown as three dots in the corner of your browser. From the menu, tap Add to Home Screen. You'll then see an option to install the app. Name it ECOPS, then confirm the installation. The ECOPS icon will appear on your home screen, ready to use just like any other app. Now, let's see how to do it on iOS. Open Safari and type https://app.ecopshub.com/login. Once the login page appears, tap the Share button at the bottom of the screen. From the options, select Add to Home Screen. Rename the shortcut to ECOPS. Then tap Add. The ECOPS icon will now appear on your home screen.